everybody, what's really good? This is part 2 of making the Miata great again. Today I'm just going to be switching over my wheels because I don't like the white wheels on this car. It looks kind of lame. They're stock NB wheels that I plastic dipped white in a previous video. They look alright, but they'll look better on that Miata. So I used to have them on there. I'm going to put them back on. So I'm going to put my other wheels on this car, and you guys are going to be along hanging out, and I'm going to probably put some angry eyes on this. I used to have them on before and I kind of missed the way it looks, so I'm going to be doing that. So let's get it. Gang! Alright, here we go. We're going to switch over the wheels. I had to find my my locks for the nuts, but we finally found it, so here we go.
He's breaking the lug nuts free. We went to go help some loser a while back, and he kept the cross that we had. Yeah, and the jack stands. And then he acts like he don't see my messages.
Alright, sorry to leave you guys hanging for a little bit, but we couldn't find our jack stands because that pendejo stole them. So right now we're just switching them one by one, pretty much. We're switching this side over right now, but we got to go kind of fast because we got one stand and the jack on the other one. But it's holding up good. It's a light car. We just got to move quick. So I already got the back one on. Now we're working on the front. I'm going to help him out and switch that over.
He's taking this tire off, but he had to stop for a second because he got a little teary-eyed thinking of Ricardo.
Yeah.
Because he's the one that mounted these tires. Here's this. On the other side. Rest in peace.
Cool. Just checking back in. We're almost done with it. It's real easy. You guys just chilling with us. I like the way the white wheels look better on this car because it like contrasts with that black. So those will probably be on there for a while until I come up with the money for new wheels. But hey, tax season's coming around. Maybe if I could get me like a fat girl with like 5 kids, she'll get like 20,000 back. Maybe I'll be able to squeeze my way in on there. Try to turbo the Miata. I could probably turbo both Miatas. I just gotta play my cards right and stick around for a couple months probably for tax season. All the real players know what's up. Yeah. I'll probably. Yeah, I should have started, but I've been on my own hustle. Yeah, I might be able to pick something up though. Probably be able to get like a quarter key, and I'll be in action. Back on deck. Yeah. Alright, there it is. The other thing I'm probably going to do, because these aren't adjustable. These are Tokiko Aluminas. So they're not adjustable, but I'm probably going to put some coilovers just on the back, because I like the way the front sits. It's pretty low. It's good enough for me. It's real good at that height. Just the back isn't low enough. I'm going to probably put some coilovers on the back. See that? That way I could adjust it and lower the back a little bit, closing that wheel gap. But it looks fine for now. It'll probably stay like this for a while, and until I figure everything out, what kind of wheels I want to get for the other car, or I might put them on this car and switch these back. We'll see. Alright, so now real quick I'm going to do the angry eyes. It's real easy to do. I know you guys know how to do it, but I'm gonna do it to my car real quick, so stick around. Let's get it. Alright, all you're gonna need is some electrical tape and a razor, or you can use scissors. Scissors are easier, but I didn't have any scissors right now. I don't know what happened to them, so I'm just working with what I got. You just want to pick your angle and just get the baseline, like a guideline started, and then you're just going to keep adding strips of tape to fill in that space there to give the effect of the angry eye. So I'm going to get that filled in real quick. So that's how it looks with one side done so far. If you want, you could do it more at a slanted angle and make it look more aggressive, but this is going to work for me right now because I don't want to cover my headlight that much, you know. It's already hard enough to see when you're this low and with pop-ups. So that's going to probably be it on that side. So I'm going to do the other side real quick and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Stick around. Alright, there it is, guys. Just some angry eyes for the Miata. Just give it a little bit of cheap, some flair to it. I know it's real popular with the Miatas. I used to always run it on mine and I took it off for a long time, but now I put it back on just for looks. It's upset because I haven't hit 1,000 subs yet, but that's my own fault because I haven't been active lately, but I'm going to try to get back on these videos. Probably tomorrow I'll make a video like washing it up, probably waxing it. It really needs it. Yeah. So make sure to sub if you're new and just stick around. There's going to be more Miata action and probably some Nissan videos. A lot more videos on the way, guys, so stick around. Remember to leave some comments. Let us know if you're happy that the channel's back on track, and I'll keep it more consistent with the videos if everybody is still tuning in. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Peace.